Alright, hey, I wanted to start off with talking about the error codes that I forgot to talk about for a long time. So they're in my managers here, and it's checking the registration to see if the iterator after being found is at the end of the list, and if it is, then the model has not been loaded already. So that checks for duplicate keys, and in getting, it's the opposite. If it doesn't get to the end before trying to get the key, then it's not found. So that's that. And using the error codes, I obscured it to the user. I know there was like a Piazza thread about this, so I just did what we talked about in that thread, where the user actually gets a reference to the model, and the error checking is inside of this method. Okay. So the cleanup, well, I'll just run it and show you. I'm glad you asked us to check on the cleanup, because mine was atrocious. Now it's under control. And also, first alarm here, second alarm, and then the third alarm should be coming. There we go. Kill two birds with one stone. So now I'm checking for all of that. I got all the game managers being cleaned. And I didn't have virtual destructors, which was I totally forgot that was a thing. So my frigate and, well, anything that was an actual user thing was not getting deleted. So the frigate is in the world and all of the things that they derive from. And the scene, yep, so I got that under wraps. Now, the scene. So I have my updatable managers, or all of my UBL managers being made and cleaned up in the scene, and the registration goes through that. The command gets sent to the executioner. That gets called in the scene's update, like in class. That executioner is here, and it just does what you'd expect. It is worth showing you the STL stuff here. I mean, we also talked about that in class, but I'll just show you. Yeah, so it uses the iterators when erasing and inserting, rather than doing the unneeded search. And the timeline in the alarmable manager is here. When it processes the alarms, it gets the system time, and it is in terms of absolute time. But the user actually inputs a relative time, and then I make it an absolute time in the register. And I believe that's it. Yeah, I'm actually going to be in class tomorrow because my other class got canceled. So, see you then. Bye.